Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. It is pouring rain outside and I just got home and my hair is soaking wet, so I hope you don't mind. Sometimes it just is what it is. So I have another 2-box order from Misfits. We have one box over here and we have our other box over there. We're gonna start with this box here, get it open, find out what's inside because as usual, I don't remember what's in here. And if Ashlyn will come over, I'll show you her ear because it's so much better now. Baby Ash, you want to come over and show everybody your ear? She's staring. Maybe she'll come over. The ice packs are still frozen. And our useless piece of cardboard is not that wet. It's actually dry on this side. So this looks like it's in pretty good shape. We have our take and bake bread. This is the sourdough loaf. And by the way, remember last time how I said the sourdough loaf was more expensive than the French loaf? They're back to being the same price again. No idea why. It was just a fluky week where one was more expensive than the other. And then we've got some Sesame Breton crackers. And I got these because around the holidays, we like to have cheese and crackers. And I'm thinking about the holidays. It's starting to get cool outside and, you know, I'm preparing. Well in advance, but I'm preparing. And then we've got some baby spinach. And despite the ice pack and everything being relatively in one piece, this is still smushed. But, I mean, it'll be okay. It's just annoying that they can't get this packaging right, and everything's always smushed. And then we've got some portobello mushroom caps, and some romaine. This is that artisan romaine that we've gotten before, and it's actually really good. It's 2 small romaines, but it's so good. And this was packed on September 24th, and today is, what is today? October 4th. So not that long ago. We'll have some time on that. We've got some ginger. They used to give us like this enormous amount of ginger, and now it looks like we're getting, and I think I ordered 2. So there's probably another one of these little ginger things in here somewhere. My neighbor's doing something. Ooh, some black plums. And these look good. 4 black plums. I'm trying to show you. And then we've got 2 pounds of Gala apples. These look good. I've been eating a lot of apples, which is funny because I used to say we're not big on apples. And we always used to get all these apples and I didn't eat them. And now I'm eating them. And that's probably because I'm spending more time in my car with a cut up apple and peanut butter. We've got some broccoli. This doesn't look that great. So this looks okay. But like it's like split in half. And this isn't, by the way, the other half of that. This one's fine. It's this one that's kind of yucky, where they split it. I feel like if I were gonna make like broccoli cheddar soup or something, that might not be the best. And then we've got some scallions. What is this? I don't remember. Oh, vanilla and cinnamon pumpkin spread, and this is Crofters. It's organic. It sounds interesting. They got me because it sounds interesting. The ingredients are organic pumpkin, organic cane sugar, and they say that that's fair trade cane sugar. I mean, fair trade or not fair trade, it's still cane sugar, and I prefer not to have it, but I did order this. So there's that. Pectin solution, organic vanilla bean extract, malic acid, organic cinnamon, and absorbic acid. And this is 10 ounces. I don't remember what any of this cost. If you stay with me till the end, I'm gonna go over my receipt so you can see what everything cost. We've got some russet potatoes. This one's a really small russet potato, and this one's a fairly large one. We have another ginger. I really like, though, when they used to, like, toss a pound of ginger in the box. 2 limes. Some lemons. Ooh, some green beans. And these just said green beans, but these are the French green beans, the haricot vert. And all these vegetables are organic, by the way. And then another lime. So we have 3 limes, 3 lemons. Then it looks like this box is the one with the meat pack. Now, when you order meat from Misfits, you have to order a pack. So I think it's $30 or it could be $35 that you have to spend. So you can't just buy like one package of chicken breasts or something. You have to buy $30 to $35, I think, worth of meat in order to get that. And we have some boneless pork chops because we've gotten these before and they look small in the package. It's not a full pound. It's 13 ounces, so it's a little bit short of a pound. They're pretty good. They're nice and thick and they are a good size. I do wish, however, that they were a pound and not 13 ounces. I feel like that's shady. What do you think? Don't you feel like it should be a pound and not 13 ounces? And then we've got organic. Oh, this isn't organic. No, it is. Okay. Mary's Free Range Organic Chicken. And this is a bone-in breast. And it's only 1 bone-in breast. And I guess I didn't realize that. Doesn't say how many pounds this is. That's very odd. So this is 1 breast. Or a split breast. I thought it was going to be a double breast. So that's a little disappointing. I probably would have ordered 2 if I had realized that. But we do have 2 chickens, and these are fairly small as well. But you know what? I got these because they were really, really cheap. And these are free range, air chilled, no antibiotics, no preservatives, vegetarian fed, gluten free, no added hormones, non-GMO. It is not organic. I got them because they were so cheap, and now I kind of know why, because they're really tiny. It doesn't give me. I wish I had a kitchen scale. I would put this on because this might be a pound. Not very big. Okay. Now we're going to see what's in that second box. So this ice pack is pretty soupy. And this piece of cardboard is also very useless. We've got some baby Bella mushrooms. These look good. And then we've got a zucchini and some broccolini. I love baby broccoli. Ooh, I smell this. I smell the fennel. It smells so good. So my plan is to make some soup with the chicken, the fennel, and obviously other stuff too, but that's why I got what I got. And then we've got another zucchini, and this one's big. This is a very large zucchini. It's a little nicked up, and I feel like that happened in the box. Granny Smith apple. And then we've got some pumpkin puree, and this is not organic. It was cheap. So wait, we'll go over that receipt, I promise. And then I've got some things that I don't normally buy. So let's see. Some Fever-Tree sparkling pink grapefruit soda. I love grapefruit soda. The ingredients are, oh gosh, I need glasses to read this. Carbonated spring water, red grapefruit juice from concentrate, fructose, pink grapefruit juice, citric acid, natural grapefruit flavoring, sodium bicarbonate, absorbic acid, fruit and vegetable juice for color. And it says this makes 3 to 4 drinks. And I got another one of these. Now, it is on the high side as far as sugar goes. Obviously, this isn't something I do all the time. So, in moderation. And another one. I feel like it was a pack of 4, maybe. Yeah, it must have been, because there's 4. Maybe instead of having a glass of wine one night, I'll have that instead. And then I got ginger beer for Colin, and I expected these to be larger. He's gonna laugh at me when I give him this for ginger beer. He's gonna be like, could it be any smaller? And the ingredients on this are easier to read. Carbonated spring water, sugar, ginger root, natural ginger flavoring, and other natural flavorings, tartaric acid, absorbic acid. It's manufactured for Fever-Tree USA, produced in the UK. Expires in November. When does this expire? Let's see. This is good until January. And we've got a couple more apples. So, okay, let's take a look at this receipt and figure out what this cost us. I'm kind of let down by the chicken, guys. What do you think? So the limes, there were 5, but I don't think I had 5. Did I? No. I only have 3 limes. They say it was 5, but there's only 3. So I'm gonna tell them that. For $2.29. The spinach was $2.99. The bunch of broccoli was $2.99. The russet potatoes were 2 for 99 cents. I feel like that's fair. The portobello mushroom caps were $2.89. The organic scallions were 99 cents. The yellow nectarines I don't have. So apparently we're missing a bunch of stuff. We don't have our nectarines, and we only got a few of the limes. The lemons were 3 for $2.49. The zucchini were 2 for $1.49. The broccolini was $2.99. The pumpkin puree was 2 for $1.99. So, I mean, 99 cents a can, I feel like that's about normal. That's what it should cost. The apples were 2 pounds for $3.49, and those are organic Gala apples. The plums were 4 for $2.69. The Granny Smith apples were 3, and that is what we have, 3 for $1.69. The ginger root was 2 for $1.38. The organic green beans were $3.99. That's for a pound. Baby Bella mushrooms were $2.19. We did not get Brussels sprouts. I mean, I'm not missing something here. This is like we just didn't get a lot of stuff. The romaine was $3.29. The take and bake bread was $3.99. Grapefruit soda was $5.99. Ginger beer was $1.99 for 4, and the grapefruit juice was $5.99 for 4. The vanilla and cinnamon spice spread, pumpkin spread, was $2.29. The crackers were $2.19. Fennel was $1.69. The chicken, they say each of these is 2 pounds, and they were 2 for $15.98. That's why I got it, because normally a chicken is about $14 to $16, but they're normally larger than this. So I feel like that was not a good deal, and I would not do that again or recommend that you do that either. Organic bone-in chicken breast was 1 pound for $6.99. I don't feel like that was great. The pork chops were 4 for $12.98. My total was $100.09 plus $4.50 for shipping, and my total was $104.59. And Misfit says that's a savings of $62.39. But we're missing stuff, guys. So we're missing those nectarines, 2 of the limes, and we're missing our Brussels sprouts. We just didn't get that stuff. So they're gonna get a little love note from me. What do you think of this? Is this worth about a little over $100? How do you feel about the fact that I'm missing quite a few things this time around? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, if you do want to try Misfits, there's a link in the description where you can save off your first order. That's an affiliate link, so I'll get a little something off my next order if you use that. That does help support the channel because it allows me to keep ordering this stuff and doing these unboxings for all of you. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that maybe wants to save some money on their groceries. And remember, I'm trying to post 3 videos a week again. Remember, I lost my video editing service, trying to figure all that out, but I feel like I'm getting a little bit better with getting 3 videos up every week. Hopefully I'll be able to continue that, but at least 2 videos every week. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy eating. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.